I think it's important for people such as myself to attend conferences like the Chief Data Officer Exchange because it gives you a unique insight into your peers, not necessarily only within your own sector, but within other sectors, and whether you can glean interesting insights that haven't yet been tapped into.
These events are really helpful to understand what everybody else is struggling with, what tendencies are coming up, what other people facing similar struggles have done. Because realistically, it's a role where you feel really lonely, typically. I think creating this community is really, really helpful.
I like the format of the exchange. It's a nice mixture to hear some stuff from people in presentation style, to have some discussion groups and to have some meetings. Works well, makes it a varied and interesting day, and I get different stuff out of different things.
You got the top-notch guys doing the different keynote speakers, and it is always good to understand from them what is their key issues, what they're after, what's the next thing in their mind.
The more interactive discussion panel sessions have been very interesting as well. And also getting to meet different vendors that I wasn't necessarily aware of. I've been made aware of different data vendors that I didn't know even existed. It's been a real interesting, broad spectrum of interesting things that I've tapped into today.
The exchange, when I compare it to other events that we've been to, is very different because of the one-to-one meetings. So usually we have a booth and we don't know who's coming, we don't know what level they're at. The difference here with the exchange is that we got to speak to some really high-level decision makers in an intimate setting.
Those one-to-one business meetings at IQPC really help us to drive our sales pipeline for the rest of the year, enable us to expand our reach within customer organisations. You're just never going to get that at an exhibition where you're trying to catch people for 5 minutes. This is an environment where people have committed to 2 days, so we have an opportunity to engage with them properly.
The exchange is a great opportunity to meet with a more senior level of delegate in one audience in a number of different ways. So it's the balance of having the one-to-one meetings, being able to influence them at a presentation type level, doing the think tank session. So it's it's an interactive overall opportunity that gives you a qualitative interaction with the right kind of audience in one place.
In a nutshell, it is a great networking opportunity to meet people within the data and analytics landscape. And you've got people from across industry. It's a unique event in that respect.
It's a place where you can exchange ideas. It's a place where you can find more about what's trending in terms of technology, and it's a place where you can build your network of peers in the industry, which is invaluable for a craft that is just emerging.